How to change username on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Reddit app and then you'll need to go to your profile icon in the top right corner, and then there you can see the edit option. So there are two names there, one is display name and another is your username. So you won't be able to change the username of Reddit, but you can change the display name by tapping on edit. So you can just put anything of your choice and then hit save in the top right. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.